desperately not to let my brain explode. It's like Star Tours, but beefed up.
I'm just looking at everything. I expect to have about 3 live streams today. So, what are you going to shoot? We don't shoot for this time.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Shipton. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is better, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
One of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around him. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hono Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. For some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You back up my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get those profits. What? No, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go. So, we better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
The animatronic is amazing.
Oh, that's all. Thank you. Look around.
What does it do? But it gives you a good feel for what the buttons will be like on the ride.
I want to see
Brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
Good
luck to you.
Seatbelts, please, seatbelts.
Ready? Which one's the reverse up and down?
Okay.
Hurry now, time is money. Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing button.
I know how to use this thing.
Better be faster when we get there.
I believe you guys can do it.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button.
Are you left and right?
Pilot on the left.
Okay.
Move your stick to fly right and left.
You mean up is
tell you, still getting my job harder.
Left pilot.
What are you doing?
Now let's go get that coaxium. Left pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
I got it this time.
Baby!
I swear I got it this time.
Wait, where's the other?
There's the train. Yes, yes, keep shooting.
Fuck him up.
They've not got to us. Take evasive action.
Down.
Ah, there it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes.
That wasn't me.
My friends, that could have been much worse. Okay,
What am I doing? I can't control left and right.
yes.
You guys
got
suck at
one.
pilots,
Excellent,
alright?
my friends. Now power up the ship.
You're my fool.
I grab the
You have to go left.
coaxium.
Because we came on the right side.
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
No, behind the train.
Behind the train, you mean?
Behind the train. What are you doing?
To the
Whoa, what was
center.
that?
Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is pretty. Keep shooting.
Keep shooting.
Close. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Boost. Booster. Let's get out of here!
Light speed. Light speed.
Let's get it. Fuck him up. Roger.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. You retrieve
Back
one
and right. That's
container
not
of
me.
I knew!
This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud.
Fucking tall. I can't go all the way
Now,
out.
after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is...
I feel like some
That
more
was
in
rough.
League of Legends.
Oh my
Oh my god.
R5, damage report. Engine failure. Alright. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple operations. Well, it's time for you to go.
Great job,
Don't
everyone.
worry.
Get up your
Payment is on the way.
plane.
Trust me.
Don't forget your belongings.
All available text we have ready.
Too bad for you guys. You guys are next time we'll go up here. We're not going there right now.
Okay, you guys, we just got off the Millennium Falcon Smugglers run. Let's go up this way, you guys.